right, guys, welcome back to What the Professor Doesn't Know. So here's a fun question for today. What would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Yeah, just completely stopped. Sounds crazy, right? Right now, Earth spins incredibly fast. At the equator, it's about 1,000 miles per hour. Pretty wild when you think about it. And the strange part, we never feel that motion at all. Everything moves together. Land, oceans, even the air. Now imagine that spin suddenly stopping, just like hitting a giant cosmic brake. Well, physics wouldn't stop with the planet. Everything on the surface would keep moving east. Cars, buildings, oceans, even the atmosphere. That means winds faster than any hurricane recorded. Entire oceans would surge across continents. Yeah, that would get messy very quickly. But let's slow things down for a second. Imagine Earth gradually slowing over thousands of years instead. Now things get really interesting. Days would slowly become longer and longer. Sunrise would take hours instead of minutes. Sunset would stretch across the sky forever. Eventually, one full day might last an entire year. 6 months of sunlight, 6 months of darkness. Think about what that means for climate. Some regions would bake under endless sunlight. Other regions would freeze through months without warmth. And here's something most people never realize. Earth's spin actually pushes ocean water toward the equator. Remove that spin, and oceans slowly shift toward the poles. Massive polar oceans could eventually form over time. Meanwhile, the equator might become vast, dry land. Weather systems would reorganize completely. Jet streams exist largely because Earth rotates beneath the atmosphere. Even our time system depends on that daily spin. Without it, humanity would redesign calendars and daily life. So that quiet rotation does more than create sunrise. It quietly stabilizes oceans, climate, and civilization. Pretty amazing for something we never even notice. Think about that next time the sun rises tomorrow morning. All right, before we wrap up, thanks for hanging out with me today on Relaxing Facts Studio. I really appreciate you spending these minutes thinking about big ideas. If you enjoyed this little brain adventure, that means a lot. And hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing to Relaxing Facts Studio. It really helps this little project keep growing. Also, hit the like button if this video made you think. That small click actually helps the video reach more curious minds. And if you know someone who loves strange questions like this, go ahead and share the video on your social media. Now, I'm really curious about something. What did you think about today's idea? Did anything surprise you? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I read them and they help shape future episodes. Your support honestly keeps Relaxing Facts Studio alive and growing. All right, I'll see you in the next What the Professor Doesn't Know.